Hey everyone, I'm back with a new video, and in this video I'm going to be guiding you on how you can cancel a Dave app account on your device. So I'm going to be showing you step-by-step procedure. Make sure to watch this video till the end. In order to delete or cancel your account on Dave app, first of all you'll have to log in into davepage.org/contact. You can also find the link on my description box below. Once you type in the link, next interface will be directed to the contact or the help center. So on this page, you have to tap on the arrow icon located next to the Contact Dave option. As you tap on the arrow icon, a drop-down box will appear. So from there, you need to tap on Dave Support From. So on this page, you need to select the issue, and once you tap on the arrow icon located just right over here, and you'll have an option as cancel membership or delete account. Just you have to tap on it, and after that you need to enter the email address that is associated with the Dave account, and then you also need to enter the phone number that is associated to your Dave account. So right on this page, you have to select the reason or type in the reason for contacting a customer service. Since we are canceling our membership, so then you have to type in cancellation request, and right on the space that is subject, what you need to do is you have to type in delete my account or requesting for deleting my account, and after that you have to enter the description of your issue or why you're deleting your account. And in case if you have a folder or if you have a screenshot, then you can just attach it right on this page, and after you're sure about it, tap on send message, and after that all you have to do is wait patiently until they look into your matter. So that is how you can cancel a Dave app account on your device. That was all for this video. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.